Saeed. How's it going?
I'm afraid he's going to bite me.
Are you having a hard time typing up your report?
I mean, I have to really watch because he could anytime he strike.
Aww.
My sweetheart.
Not Obis.
Oh yes, oh yes. He's worth it.
Yep.
Oh my sweet.
See if we can get some of that purring.
We cleaned it up.
Now you are gonna get bitten.
There it is. Beautiful mustache.
Look at those long whiskers.
You know it, he's so beautiful.
I'm gonna turn it off before there's any blood.